I think I'm finally getting the hang of this smoothie thing. So today, rather than working from somebody else's recipe, I'm going to make my own from scratch. And what I'm going to call this is a peach banana strawberry smoothie. So let's make this smoothie. I'm going to start off with a ripe banana here, just starting to get speckled. So this should be okay. And clean it up. Try to get rid of these strings that are on there. All right. Clean up my mess here. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 cups, which is about 355 milliliters of orange juice. And then I like to put some sort of seed in mine. I'm going to put a tablespoon of chia seed in there. And then I'm going to be experimenting with protein powder. This is vanilla flavored protein powder. And I don't know, something just tells me this is going to be delicious in there. So that's 1 scoop, which by weight is about 1 ounce, 28 grams. Okay, there's the protein powder. Then I have 8 ounces or 227 grams of frozen peach pieces or peach slices. Put those in there. And then finally 1 cup, 110 grams of frozen sliced strawberries. And put my lid on top. And this is ready to go onto the blender. I have my tamper ready just in case I need it. So I'm going to put this on number 1 setting. Then I'm going to start it up and then slowly run it up to full speed, number 10, and then blend it for about 40 to 50 seconds. Okay, 45 seconds, didn't need this. So, first thing I want to do is taste it, see what it tastes like. Have my stainless steel straw here in case I need to add any sweetener to it. I've got stevia if I need it. No, that doesn't need any sweetener, and boy is that good. Okay, I can taste the vanilla, but I can taste the strawberries and the banana and even the peach. I mean, it's all in there. All the flavors are there. It's delicious. All right, let me pour a glass for myself. So I have a glass ready. And I always make extra. So I always keep a couple of jars in the refrigerator that I can use for the extra servings. I usually end up with about 12 ounces in each jar. It's not quite 12. And that's a little bit less. So a little bit less than 12 in each jar this time. So this is my peach banana strawberry smoothie. Nice and cold. It's sweet. It's smooth. It tastes delicious. Okay. Excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my smoothie.